how to use scanner class for adding the sum of two numbers. My name is Rizwan. I am a computer faculty of Maker Park Computer Center, Tumkur. First I will go to Eclipse. Okay, I will go to Eclipse here. Remove this, I delete this one. Okay. Create a new project. I will go to File, New. Then give some name, some project name will be. Then what you do, create a class. Go to File. Then if you want to create a class, what you do, you go to this project is called package, because package is a collection of class and class is a collection of methods. Then you right click, you go to new, then you go to class, give some name. Okay, give some name, and you say finish. Here what I am doing, first I declare main function as a public static void as a public static void as a main, then as a string arguments. Okay. Then I declare variables as a int. Suppose say a comma b comma as a sum. Okay. Now first what to do, okay, first what to suppose if I want to read the values, I declare one scanner class as a import, as a util import is a Java, import is a java dot util dot scanner class. Okay. Now here what we have to say, class name, object name is equal to new class name, there is a system dot in close the bracket. Okay. Dot scanner. Java is the main package and util is sub package. Scanner is a class. Okay. Now we are telling them and then scanner is equal to the view scanner system dot in. Okay. Now actually new is for creating a new instance of the class for a given object. Okay. Now what I will do? Now if you want to read the values one by one, first I will call the variable. So directly I will say a is a variable is equal to, I will say what is the object name, t dot, I will say next, t dot next int. Next is for reading the integer value. Now it will ask, suppose if you want to ask, I will say system dot out dot println. Okay. It will ask, enter the first value. Okay. Enter the first value. Then I am reading. Again same thing. Again last system dot out dot println. It last enter second value. Enter the second value. Okay. Again second telling. Second value is b. B is equal to same thing as a, that is object name is not t. T dot next int. Okay. Next int. Always the starting letter of the function must be small. Next will be always I must be capital, and starting second word of the starting letter of the function will be capital. Okay. Now if you want to print, what I will do? Now after this what I will do? I will add it. Let's say what sum is equal to a plus b. Okay. Now if you want to print the sum, now what I will do for that? Here also system dot out dot println. Here also the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is I say what? It's a plus sum, plus because the result is stored in a variable. It's a sum. Here is a sum of the two numbers is plus sum. Okay. Now how many brackets open? Two brackets you have to close. Okay. Now this is the way for reading the first value. This is for reading the second. T is the object. Okay, then we are adding. Then we are printing. Okay. Sum. Now what I will do? I will go to run as Java application. Okay. Now enter the first value. Then enter the second value. Then press enter. Showing what? Showing the sum as 17. Okay. This is for adding the sum of two numbers. Okay. Okay. Thank you.